How to learn English. Learning English is a great idea. English is a global language. Many people around the world speak English. It helps in travel, work, and making friends. But how can you learn English? Here are some easy steps to help you. 1. Whenever you start with simple words. Learn basic words first. Some common words are hello, thank you, please, yes. Practice these words every day. Use them in short sentences. For example, dot. Hello, how are you? Thank you for your help. Yes, I like coffee. 2. Learn basic grammar. Grammar is important. Start with simple rules. Here are some examples. Period. I am happy. She is a teacher. We like music. Use easy grammar books or websites to practice. 3. Listen to English every day. Listening helps you understand English better. You can period. Listen to English songs. Watch simple English videos. Listen to English podcasts. Try to repeat words and sentences. This helps with pronunciation. 4. Speak as much as possible. Speaking is very important. Try to speak English every day. You can, period, talk to friends in English. Join an English-speaking group. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. 5. Read easy English books. Reading helps with vocabulary. Start with simple books. Some ideas. Children's books. Short stories. News for beginners. Read slowly. Try to understand new words. Use a dictionary if needed. 6. Write in English. Writing helps you remember new words. Try these, period. Write about your day. Write short messages in English. Keep a diary in English. Writing every day will improve your skills. 7. Learn common phrases. Phrases are very useful. Some examples. How are you? Nice to meet you. Can you help me? Learning phrases makes speaking easier. 8. Use apps and online resources. There are many free apps to learn English. Some popular ones, Duolingo, BBC Learning English, English Class 101. These apps make learning fun. 9. Watch movies with subtitles. Watching movies helps with listening. Start with English subtitles. Later watch without subtitles. Some good movies for beginners. Toy Story, Finding Nemo, The Lion King 10. Be patient and keep practicing. Learning a language takes time. Practice every day. Do not give up. The more you practice, the better you get. Conclusion. Learning English is fun and useful. Follow these steps to improve your skills. Remember, listen, speak, read, and write every day. Good luck.